Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got another unboxing for you. Now this literally just arrived through the door and I know where it's from because whenever you buy things on the Silver Forum, quite often the person that is sending you something will also take a picture of the parcel to basically show that they packaged it all up and also show you the tracking number and all the rest of it. So I actually know exactly what is inside this box, which is unlike a lot of my other unboxings where I'm kind of just opening them blind and waiting to see what we've got inside. Now I'm really excited to see how this looks. And like I said, this is brought from the Silver Forum. This was handmade by someone on the Silver Forum. And before you get too excited, it's not anything precious metal. I was going to say it's not anything precious metal related, but it is definitely precious metal related, but it's not made from precious metal. So let's get straight into the video. I'm going to try and do a little trapdoor. This is my new favourite way to do unboxings. I know it's really lethal, especially if you're unpackaging a precious metal piece. But I think it's more exciting. You're living life on the edge. At any moment you could go through the item that you're unboxing. But I remember I did this before when I had a box like this that had loads of tape around it, and it looked really cool to have a little trap door, being able to reach into it and pull out the items. Almost took my thumb off there. Alright, ready? Look at that. Knock knock, coming in. Look at that, it's got some padding in there. There we go, right, perfect. So we've got some more of these polystyrene things that I can send to Cobra. Really like gathering these up, putting them in a box and putting them to one side, ready for when I next send something to Cobra Stacker, because he really loves these. If anyone's got any of these spare, and these are the little polystyrene things that you get in packages, he actually collects these. I know he collects mainly silver and gold, but he's recently started collecting these, and his PO box address is actually in all of his videos descriptions. So please send him as many of these as you can. It would really make his day. So I'm going to put them to one side. Right, here we go. You ready for this? Right. Look at this. So this is a laser etched, I believe. I believe that's what you call it, when a laser kind of etches into the wood. And it's actually a placemat designed like a silver maple. Now the person that actually makes these is called Bullion Buyer, and I will leave a link to the topic on the Silver Forum where you can pick one of these up. I think it was £3 and then £1 something for delivery, so it worked out just under £5. But how cool is that? And he doesn't just do the silver maple versions, he does all different versions. Basically any bullion silver coin you can think of, he has done a design for, and he makes them to order. So if you click on the link in the description of this video, and I don't make any money from his sales or anything like that, it's not an affiliate link, it's just a person that I stumbled across on the Silver Forum that was making these, and I thought they were really cool. But if you click on the link, you'll see he has lots of different designs available, and when you purchase it, he actually makes it by hand and sends it out to you. So he made this over the weekend, took him a couple of days. Look how cool that is. It's actually like etched into the wood. And for those of you that watch my channel for a while, you'll know that the silver maple is one of my favourite bullion coins. Really cool. Just checking he hasn't put a note or anything in there. Nope. Just more of these for Cobra. Cobra's going to be so happy, by the way, when I send all these. But yeah. Oh wow, look at that. I didn't expect that. Wow. Wow, what a nice touch. I did not expect that. So he has just done that off his own back. I know he knows that I've got this channel. Obviously, that's my channel logo, but it's also my logo on the Silver Forum as well. But wow, look how nice that's come out. Wow, that is incredible. Wow, thank you so much. I did not expect to see that. I'm so glad I opened the package the right way and I didn't see that straight away, because that was such a nice shock and surprise. Look how cool that's come out. That's actually lasered into this placemat, and this is the bottom, and they've all got these rubber things on them, so it's literally a proper placemat. So you will be seeing many a glass of whiskey on that placemat in the future. Look at that, it fits absolutely perfect. So like I said, do go and check out his listing on the Silver Forum. Really cool. I think they're a great price as well. I'm not sure if he ships worldwide. I'm guessing he would if you're willing to pay the postage. What a nice touch. Thank you very much for doing that. That's really thoughtful of you. Really nicely personalised. And this will definitely be something that you see in many of my videos going forward. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you found this video interesting. Like I said, do please send all of your polystyrene bits to Cobra Stacker's PO Box. He'll really be grateful and appreciate that. Big thank you very much again to Bullion Buyer for making me this cool piece. Especially thank you for doing that personalised touch. I really do appreciate that. As always, thanks very much for watching my videos. Thanks very much for all the support, and I hope you have a very nice day.